Hello everybody! Today's video is all about the Magic Mixies Mixlings. Yeah, I have two, but I'm going to just open the one. And let's go with this one. Let's see the packaging. So cute. This is the Crystal Woods theme, I guess. We get one character and its matching accessory or something. And there are 40 plus characters to collect. And that's the instructions. So we get 1 and 2. When you open it, you pour the one. It seems like a powder. And then you pour water. And bibbidi bobbidi and boom. Oh my gosh, they are so adorable. Aw, limited edition. They have one that's limited edition. And that's it. Alright. Ooh. Love their expressions, love their colors, and I love all the gemstones and things like that on them. This is super exciting now. I've seen so many videos and I just couldn't help myself. I had to give it a try, right? We all do, at least once. But I went and bought 2. Well, here we go. Ugh, I never get it right. There we go. Oh, that came out perfectly! Woohoo! Oh, that was easy to open, but I just wanted to take a look. Look at all that details. I mean, you can't see it that clearly from afar because it's all the same color, but look at that. The little details on these are amazing. Oh, and look, there's a gemstone there. Cool. And this is what we get. So I see 2 right on top. It's just a container. Pour a little water. It's really flimsy type, but still they've put effort in putting details. And that's 1. Oh, I love the details on the packaging of this as well. There's quite a bit of powder. Aha. Alrighty. And oh, simple instructions. That's good. 1, 2, fizzy, and boop. Alrighty, I'll be back with a little bit of water. Alright, I'm back with some water. I've kept it right behind there. And I've got my scissors to cut the powder. Let's see. So first, remove. Alright, there's a protective layer. That's great. Add ingredients and water, and this is not to be removed. It's very thin paper, but it's got nice texture to it. Yeah. Let's see how I do this. Bringing all the powder down. And oh, fell right in there. There we go. And on top of it goes. Oh, come on. That is quite a bit of powder. I didn't do a good job of swirling it. Let me see if I can do that. Just using the tip, putting it everywhere. And getting the water gently. Ooh, let the magics begin. Oh, it's become really liquid. It's just melted off. It's cool. Let me just get some tissue. Oh, look at that. That's cute. And I got the accessories. The water is right at the bottom. Let's dry that off. Let's see the accessory first. I just like the color. Oh, why am I struggling? Let's get the pamphlet. Okay, it's showing the 40 plus characters we can get. They look so amazing. I think I got sleep. That's exactly my vibe. I would love to sleep most of the time. Look at that. Look at those characters. They're so fun, and they've got a lot of detail on them, and they look adorable and full of expression. That's great. Oh, that's adorable. Alright, that's about it. And those are the different types of accessories, or how you can easily tell what character or categorization your character belongs to. That side. What do I have? What is this? It looks like a bag or something, or a lantern. Anyways, let's put that there. Let's get to the character. It is Sleepy. I mean, sleeps. Sleep. That's my character. Oh, look at her. Oh my gosh. Well, she does look like she's having some sort of nightmare. But look at that. I love it. Look at the makeup. Look at the gems. So she belongs to the Glowlings category. Oh, that's great. And she is Sleep. Oh. And let's see, what do we do with it? So with Sleep, oh, they glow, hence glowing. So you got to put both of them under light, and in the dark it would glow. All right, makes sense. Makes sense. Oh, there's a rose on her butt. That's so adorable. Oh my gosh, I love the color too. Oh, hopefully it glows. I'll put a picture in once it's glowing. Yeah. Wow, that is amazing. Look at that. It's so bright. I'm really happy with the character I've unopened today. Sleep, the glowling. And I love the cute rose on her butt. And she's really cute. I'm so happy to collect these. Thank you everybody for watching this video, and to all those who are subscribed to my channel. I am kind of trying to find my vibe and find my style through these videos, and it's just a new journey that I'm on, and I'm so glad I'm getting the support and encouragement through all of you, although it's taking a big hit when it comes to the finance part of it. But I am really enjoying the cute things, the Disney things, because all these resonate with me. And I don't really think these are just for kids. Yeah, there's an inner child in me, something that's still young and gets fascinated by sweet stuff, and I really love it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.